a free indicator brought to you by Myforex. Today, we'll take a look at the higher time frame indicator, a tool that displays the technicals from a higher time frame on the current chart. In this video, we'll cover the trend indicators, which allows you to display the moving average, parabolic SAR, and the Bollinger Band. For instance, if you wish to check the technicals of the daily chart before trading at a shorter time frame, you can use this indicator to display the technicals of the daily chart on top of the hourly chart. You no longer have to worry about splitting screens or switching windows. This indicator can be used for all time frames available in MT4 and MT5. Select the time frame of your liking. Please note that you cannot display technicals with a time frame lower than the current chart. Make sure to select a higher time frame than the chart. This indicator allows you to display 3 different technicals on the chart, helping you catch signals of a strong trend. It's a flexible tool that lets you customize the indicators you want on your chart. That's it for the higher time frame indicator. Please refer to the user manual for more details. We hope that this tool will help you in your daily trades.